Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe from the world pandemic corona. I'm also okay. I welcome you to Chattogram College School online classes. This is my first online class with you. Let me introduce myself. I am Shamima Yasmin Ferdowsi, Assistant Teacher, Chattogram College School. Now, dear students, I will show you a nice picture. Can you see the picture? Okay. Try to see the picture and try to tell what things can you see here. Let me tell you what can I see here. I can see some students like you. There are some girls and boys. Maybe they are outside their home, climbing up a tree, and I can see a tent also. A student in front of the tent trying to read something. I can see two students. They are playing on the ground. One student may be running. I can see a girl with a bag on her back, and I can see also a student with a binocular. So from the picture, we can guess that they are outside their home. Maybe they are having lots of fun. So, dear students, can you guess what lesson we are going to discuss right now? Okay, let me tell you about the lesson. So, today our lesson is It Was a Great Day. Dear student, open your book at page 82. Please read out the text and while reading, try to find out some new words or some difficult words. As you are a student of grade 5, let me tell you about the text. A student like you attended a cup campori and it was his first going outside. Just he was outside their home for the first time and he attended a cup campuri, and a cup campuri is a gathering of cups from different parts of the country. And cups all over the world have their own campuri. The cup campuri took places in Srimangal under Maulvibazar district. They went there by bus from Dhaka to Srimangal. When they reached Srimangal, from the station, they went their campuri places on foot because they were a big group. Almost 12 members were there, so they didn't take any rickshaw. When they reached, they cleaned the camp area themselves. Then they set up their tent, and after that, they prepared their breakfast. And after the breakfast, they played games with cups from other parts of Bangladesh. Then, then they had lunch. They cooked rice and chicken for their lunch. In the afternoon and evening, they sang songs and recited poems. Actually, it was great fun for them. At night, they slept in their tent. So, dear students, you have got the idea of the text. Now, try to find out some new words from the text. Here I have some new words for you. Those are cup, campuri, visit, away, to get, trouble, arrive, came, can't. So dear students, try to understand the meaning of the new words. Let me help you. So, cups. Dear student, the meaning of cups is a junior branch of the Scout Association for boys aged from 8 to 11. It has another meaning, baby of a lion, deer, or a fox. Come to the next word, campuri. Campuri means a local or regional camping event for scouts or jamboree. Next word, visit. To go to see and spend time with. Our next word, away. At a distance from a particular place, person, or thing. Our next word, to get there. It means to reach there. Travel, make a journey, move. Next word, arrive. To get a place or reach. Our next word, camp. It means a place with temporary accommodation of huts, tents, or other structure typically used by soldiers, refugees, or traveling people. Our last word, tent. It means a portable shelter made out of cloth supported by one or more poles. So dear students, write down the word meaning in your exercise book. Dear students, now I have an exercise for you. In the table, there are two columns. In column A, you will see some words, and in column B, there are their meanings. But in column B, there are two extra meanings. You will have to match the meanings with the words. In column A, our words are leader, travel, together, prepare, tent. In column B, meanings are number 1, very surprising or wondering. Number 2, with or near each other. Number 3, a temporary shed made of cloth. 4, captain. 5, midday meal. 6, to make a journey or trip. 7, to make or get something ready. So dear students, now match the meaning with the words. And try to do it in your exercise book. Let me help you. Here are the meanings. Please match your meanings with my answer. Leader means captain. Travel, to make a journey or trip. Together, with or near each other. Prepare, to make or get something ready. Tent, a temporary shed made of cloth. Dear students, write it down in your exercise book. Now, come to another point. Dear students, now you have another exercise. It's true and false. There are some statements. I can see 6 statements are here. You will have to tell whether those are true or false. Just you will write down only true or false. If it is true, just write only true. If it is false, write only false. And if it is false, you don't need to write down the true answer. So number one, let me see. Number one, he participated Cup Campuri for many times. Is it true or false? Please, dear students, read your text and try to find out the information, whether it is true or false. Number two, cups. Cups from other countries have no Campuri. Number three, they went to Maulvi to join the Campuri. Number four, they went on foot from the train station. Number five, some laborers cleaned up the area. Six, they had lunch with mutton curry and vegetables. So, dear students, try to do it yourself at first. At the end, I will help you. Don't worry. Okay. Uh, Let me help you now. Number one, he participated Cup Campuri for many times. Uh, I think it is false because in the text you have got that it was his first time um, participation in Cup Campuri. So it is false. Cups from other countries have no Campuri. It is also false because in the text you have got that every country have their own Campuri. Number three, they went to Maulvi to join the Campuri. It is true because the Cup Campuri took places at Srimangol in Maulvi district. So the statement is true. They went on foot from the train station. The statement is true because when they are walking, you have got the information in your text. Number five, some laborers cleaned up the area. The statement is false because you have got in your text that they have cleaned up the area themselves. So it is false. Number six, they had lunch with mutton curry and vegetable. The statement is also false because they cooked chicken and rice for their lunch. Now let's see the answer. Here are the answers. Please write it down in your notebook. He participated Cup Campuri for many times. False. Cups from other countries have no Campuri. False. They went to Maulvi to join the Campuri. True. They went on foot from the train station. True. Some laborers cleaned up the area. False. They had lunch with mutton curry and vegetables. False. Dear students, now come to our next point. Here are some questions for you. You will have to answer. Our first question is, what is a Campuri? Second one, where did the Cup Campuri take place? Third one, how many members were there in the group? Number four, what did the Cups do in the Campuri? Say at least four things. Five, when did they play together? Number six, how did they feel in the Campuri? So, dear students, there are 6 questions for you. You will have to answer it. Let me help you. Okay, for your kind information, when you are going to write down the answer of the question, you must follow the tense of the question. If the question is in present tense, you must write the answer in present tense. If it is in past tense or future tense, you must follow the tense of the question. And remember that your sentence must be correct grammatically. And when you will read the text and find out the answer. What is a Khampuri? Let me help you. A Khampuri is a gathering of cups from different parts of Bangladesh. Number two, where did the cup Khampuri take place? The sentences, the question is in past tense, so you must follow the tense. The cup Khampuri took place at Srimongol in Moldibazar district. How many members were there in the group? There are 12 members in the group. Number four, what did the cups do in the Khampuri? Say at least four things. In the Khampuri, they did many things. You will write only four things. You can say that they cleaned up the area, they set up their tent, they prepared their breakfast, then they played they played after breakfast with cups from other parts of Bangladesh. You can say these four things. Maybe the answer may be different also. When did they play together? They played together uh, after breakfast. Number six, how did they feel in the Khampuri? They felt very happy in the Khampuri. So you can write the answers like this. Dear students, write all the answers in your notebook. Just when the school will be open, I will check this. So please, you will write down everything in your notebook so that you can show it to me when the school is open. Now, dear students, we are almost at the end of the class, and now I have a homework for you. You will have to write down a short composition on a cup Khampuri. You will have to write at least 5 sentences. Okay, dear students, you must keep something in your mind when you are writing a composition. You must use the capital letter where it is necessary, and your spelling must be correct, and you must use the right punctuation mark. Okay, so it is your homework, a composition about a cup Khampuri. We are almost at the end of the class, dear students. You know that it is Corona time, so you must follow the rules of health, and you must stay at home, okay? And you must be careful um, about the health rules. You know that you must wash your hands again and again when it is necessary. So, dear students, stay home, stay safe, take care, my dear students.